Magandang buhay! So ako si Sir Ben at narito ako upang i-discuss yung mga conditions in determining if two lines are parallel or perpendicular. Ready ka na? Great! So recall natin yung parallel lines at saka perpendicular lines. Kapag sinabi nating parallel lines, these are coplanar lines or these are lines that lie on the same plane that do not intersect. Kapag sinabi naman nating perpendicular lines, these are intersecting lines that form a 90-degree angle. Okay? So yung una kong i-flash sa screen is ito yung mga conditions to determine if two lines are parallel. So yan. So yung nakikita nyo dyan, papasok dyan yung transversals. So dito, papasok dito yung mga na-discuss doon sa last video, doon sa mga special angles. Special angles, if I may say special angles, ito yung mga angles na nabubuo if we have a parallel lines and a transversal. So ito yung mga alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, same side interior angles, same side exterior angles. So itong mga concept na to, hindi na bago ito. Okay? Yung susunod naman, ito naman yung mga conditions to tell if two lines are perpendicular lines. So una, if the angles in the linear pair are congruent. Tapos yung pangalawa, halos connected ito dun sa una, if two angles are adjacent and complementary. So if two angles are adjacent and complementary, therefore, linear pair sila. Okay? So next, pwede rin naman natin i-connect yung concept ng parallel lines sa perpendicular lines. So ito yung mga to. So una, in a plane, if a line is perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines, then it is also perpendicular to the other line. So may dalawang lines tayo, may parallel lines tayo. Kung yung isang line, okay, yung third line, magiging parallel siya, magiging perpendicular siya sa first line, therefore, yung third line na yon magiging perpendicular din siya sa second line. Yun yung sinasabi ng una dito. Yung pangalawa naman, in a plane, if two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then the two lines are parallel. If two lines are perpendicular, so first line, second line, yung first line at saka second line, both of them are perpendicular to the third line. Therefore, yung first line at saka second line nun, parallel sila. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa mga examples, no? So, madali lang, napakadali lang na ang topic na to. Walang solving dito, walang proving. So, it's just a matter of looking at the figure properly. Okay, so we have here a triangle ABD. So, yung given dito, yung measurement ng angle BFD is 90 degrees. Side BF is parallel to side CE. Tapos, yung measurement ng angle ABF plus the measurement of angle FBD is equal to 90 degrees. Tanong ngayon dito is side CE perpendicular to side BF. So CE, nasan ba? Tingnan muna natin yung mga conditions. BFD is 90 degrees. So ibig sabihin, right angle ito. Tapos BF is parallel to CE. Okay. Tapos measurement of ABF and plus the measurement of angle FBD is equal to 90. So ibig sabihin, right angle. So ito yung mga based sa given. Right angle ito, and then itong dalawang lines na to, parallel. Ang tinatanong ngayon dito is CE perpendicular to BF. Yes or no? Okay, observe properly. So kung titignan natin dito, CE and BF. Alam natin na si CE ay parallel kay BF. And BF is perpendicular to BF. So, papasok dito yung connection ng concept ng parallel lines at saka perpendicular lines. So, being that said, pwede nating sabihin na ito ay right angle. So, ang sinasabi niya dito is if a line is perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines, therefore that line is also perpendicular to the other line. In that case, pwede nating sabihin na right angle ito, so therefore yung sagot natin dito ay yes. Okay? So yun siya. Right angle yon. So therefore, right angle ito. So actually dito, dalawa yung concept na papasok. Okay? Yung another concept dito is yung application ng corresponding angles. Okay? So if two lines are cut by a transversal and its corresponding angles are congruent, therefore the two lines are parallel. Tapos yung pangalawa, ito yung ginamit ko dito. Yung tawag dito, yung first line and second line parallel sila. If yung third line perpendicular sa first line, therefore, yung third line, perpendicular din siya sa second line. Okay? Next. Ayan, so may figure tayo. Line A, line B, line C sinakatayo, line D ito. Tapos right angle ito, and then yung measurement na to is 135 degrees. Same thing dito. Ang tanong ngayon dito sa figure na to, is line A perpendicular to line C. Huwag tayong magpapapekto na, sir, mukha naman silang perpendicular. Mukha lang perpendicular pero, tawag dito, obvious naman sir na perpendicular sila. Okay? It's not enough, no? So, kailangan may basehan tayo bakit natin masabi na perpendicular sila. Hindi natin pwede maging basehan na, sir, obvious naman. Okay? So, tingnan natin ngayon dito, is line A perpendicular to line C? My answer is yes. Bakit? Tignan nyo, si line A at saka si line B, parallel sila. Bakit? Alternate exterior angles. Yung alternate exterior angles sila, they have the same measurement. Ibig sabihin nun, congruent yung exterior angles nila. Both of them have the same measure, 135 degrees. Tapos, si line C, perpendicular kay line B. So, in that case, again, masabi na naman natin dito yung nagamit kanina sa example na if first line and second line are parallel and the third line is parallel to the first line, therefore, is perpendicular to the first line, therefore, the third line is perpendicular to the second line. So dito niyan, pwede na natin sabihin na perpendicular si si line A kay line C. So papasok din dito yung yung corresponding angles eh. Okay? So corresponding angles ng dalawa. So since parallel naman si A at saka si B, we can say that these two are congruent. Okay? So perpendicular sila. Both of them are right angle. So in that case, line A is perpendicular to line C. Next figure. Ito, last figure na to. Kaso dito sa last figure na to, meron tayong tatlong question. First is side or line CE. Segment yung nalagay ko dito, no? So, is segment, actually pwede naman, is segment CE parallel to segment HI. HI, tapos si CE. Tingnan muna natin yung mga given, ha? Etong part na to, so ibig sabihin, ito ay isang right angle, ito ay isang right angle, 42 degrees yung measurement na to, meron din dito. Tapos, yung dalawang lines na nakatayo, parallel sila because of this symbol. Okay? So, CE is CE parallel to HI. CE. CE and HI. My answer here is yes. Sir Ben, puro yes? Nagkataon lang siguro, no? Okay. So, bakit nga ba CE is parallel to HI? Ano yung concept na na-apply dito? Siyempre, alternate exterior angles. Sir Ben, paano naging alternate exterior angles? So, ako, ganito ko siya tinignan. Ayan. So, dyan pa lang, obvious na alternate exterior angles yung ginamit ko. So, in that case, CI is parallel to HI. CE is parallel to HI. Okay? Next. Is AD parallel to FG? AD, ito, si horizontal line, no? AD is parallel to FG? Yes, my answer is yes. Bakit? Corresponding angles are congruent. Ito. Yun yung in-apply ko dito. No? So, corresponding angles, both of them are 90 degrees and we all know that all all right angles are congruent. So, yes yung sagot ko dito. Okay? Last one is FG. FG. Ito is FG perpendicular to line CJ. So, Ben, obvious naman na right angle ito. Again, huwag natin sabihin nyo, kailangan may theorem or postulate na magsusupport or definition na magsusupport sa claim natin. Okay, tingnan natin. Based sa figure na to, di ba parallel itong dalawa? Si line BK is parallel to line CJ, di ba? Ngayon, I can now say that FG is perpendicular to CJ. Bakit? If two lines, if line A, first line, and the second line are parallel lines, and the third line is perpendicular to the first line, therefore, the third line is also perpendicular to the second line. Okay? So, dito, if I may say, hindi siya ganun madali siya kasi walang proving, walang solving. Yun nga lang kasi, kailangan alam natin yung mga conditions, kailangan memorize natin sila, and then, kailangan alam natin paano tignan yung given figure. So, again, lagi kong sinasuggest, expose mo yung sarili mo. Kailangan ka talagang masanay sa mga ganitong activities or yes, mga ganitong mga activities na kapag ka nandiyan na yung mismong graded activity, gamay mo na yung mismong topic. Okay? So, syempre, pag na-expose mo na yung sarili mo sa maraming activities, practice, practice, and practice. Okay? And with that, maraming salamat sa pagkikinig and magandang buhay.